Hey everyone, let's play a quick Would You Rather game. Here's the scenario. Would you rather live in a world where every time you sneeze, you teleport to a random location on Earth, or live in a world where every time you laugh, a bubble containing a random object from history materializes and floats around you for an hour? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the sneeze teleportation option. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a meeting, you feel a sneeze coming on, and poof, you're suddenly standing in the middle of the Sahara Desert. Sounds wild, right? On one hand, it's the ultimate adventure. You could end up anywhere, from the top of the Eiffel Tower to a quiet beach in Bali. But on the other hand, what if you sneeze during a date? Or worse, while you're holding a cup of hot coffee? The chaos is real. Now let's talk about the laugh bubble option. Every time you laugh, a bubble pops into existence, and inside it is a random object from history. Imagine laughing at a meme and suddenly a bubble with Cleopatra's sandal or a Viking helmet is floating next to you. It's like having a mini-museum follow you around. But here's the catch. What if the object is something weird, like a medieval toothbrush or a 200-pound cannon? You'd have to deal with it for an hour. Still, it's a great conversation starter. So, what's it gonna be? A life of unpredictable teleportation or a life surrounded by floating historical artifacts? Let me know in the comments.